Foods to combat fungal overgrowth. Effectively, are you constantly feeling bloated, exhausted, or dealing with unexplained skin issues? What if I told you the real culprit might be lurking inside your body, a hidden fungal infection? The shocking truth is that fungal overgrowth, especially Candida overgrowth, can silently take over your gut, weaken your immune system, and even affect your brain. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive antifungal medications to fight back. Certain powerful foods can naturally kill fungi, restore your gut balance, and detoxify your body. So stick around because in this video, I'm revealing the hidden signs of fungal overgrowth. Many people ignore these. The top 10 plus powerful antifungal foods that naturally kill Candida and fungi. A secret antifungal drink that helps flush out toxins fast. Let's dive in and reclaim your health naturally. What is fungal overgrowth and why it's dangerous? Before we talk about the best antifungal foods, let's first understand what fungal overgrowth is and why you should care. Your body naturally has a balance of good and bad bacteria and fungi. But when this balance is disrupted, usually due to poor diet, stress, antibiotics, or a weak immune system, fungi like Candida start multiplying uncontrollably. This overgrowth leads to digestive problems, chronic fatigue, brain fog, skin issues, and even autoimmune diseases. Hidden signs of fungal overgrowth: persistent bloating and digestive issues, gas, constipation, diarrhea, skin rashes, fungal infections, athlete's foot or toenail fungus, chronic fatigue and brain fog, difficulty concentrating, memory issues, white coating on your tongue, oral thrush, uncontrollable sugar cravings. Fungi thrive on sugar, recurrent yeast infections, sinus congestion and allergies. If you have any of these symptoms, it's time to take action. Now, let's look at the most powerful antifungal foods that will help you fight fungal overgrowth naturally. Top 10 plus powerful foods to fight fungal overgrowth. 1. Garlic, the ultimate antifungal superfood. Garlic is one of the most powerful natural antifungals. It contains allicin, a compound that actively destroys fungi, bacteria, and parasites. How to use it: crush 1 to 2 raw garlic cloves and eat them with honey or warm water daily. Add garlic to soups, stir-fries, and salads for a natural antifungal boost. 2. Coconut oil destroys Candida. Coconut oil is rich in caprylic acid and lauric acid, 2 potent antifungal compounds that break down fungal cell walls and stop their growth. How to use it: take 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil daily. Use it for cooking or blend it into smoothies. 3. Apple cider vinegar restores gut pH and kills fungi. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which kills fungi and helps balance your gut's pH. This prevents fungal overgrowth from coming back. How to use it: mix 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar in warm water and drink before meals. Use it as a salad dressing or add it to herbal teas. 4. Ginger heals your gut and reduces inflammation. Ginger has strong antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, making it great for reducing fungal overgrowth and boosting gut health. How to use it: make ginger tea with fresh slices and lemon. Add grated ginger to smoothies, soups, or stir-fries. Oregano, a natural antifungal antibiotic. Oregano contains carvacrol and thymol, which kill Candida and prevent fungi from multiplying. Oregano oil is even more powerful than some prescription antifungals. How to use it: use oregano oil, 1 to 2 drops in water, as a natural antifungal remedy. Sprinkle dried oregano on meals for extra protection. 6. Turmeric, the golden healer. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antifungal and anti-inflammatory compound that helps detox your body. How to use it: make a golden milk latte. Turmeric plus warm coconut milk plus black pepper. Add turmeric to curries, soups, or smoothies. 7. Green leafy vegetables starve the fungi. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula help alkalize the body and starve fungi of their food source, sugar. How to use it: eat a big salad daily with spinach, kale, or collard greens. Blend them into green smoothies with lemon and ginger. 8 lemons and limes. Cleanse and detox your body. Lemons and limes help flush out toxins and kill fungal infections with their high vitamin C and alkaline properties. How to use it? Start your day with warm lemon water to cleanse your gut. Add fresh lime juice to salads or teas. 9 fermented foods. Restore gut balance. Your gut is home to both good and bad bacteria. Fermented foods help restore healthy gut bacteria and fight fungal overgrowth. Best fermented foods: sauerkraut kimchi, kefir yogurt, unsweetened. Pumpkin seeds fight fungi and boost immunity. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc and antifungal compounds that help fight candida and parasites in your gut. How to use it? Eat a handful of pumpkin seeds daily as a snack. Add them to smoothies or salads for an extra boost. Bonus: the secret antifungal drink to flush out fungi. Fast. Want to detox your body from fungi quickly? Try this powerful antifungal drink. Ingredients: 1 glass warm water, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, juice of 1/2 lemon, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 inch grated ginger. Instructions: mix all ingredients and drink every morning on an empty stomach for 7 days. This will flush out fungi, improve digestion, and boost immunity. Avoid these foods that feed fungal overgrowth. While adding antifungal foods to your diet is crucial, avoiding foods that feed fungi is just as important. The biggest culprit? Sugar. Candida and other harmful fungi thrive on sugar, leading to even more overgrowth and worsening symptoms. This includes refined sugars, high fructose corn syrup, white bread, pasta, pastries, and even excess fruit sugars from bananas, grapes, and mangoes. If you're serious about fighting fungal infections, cutting out sugar is non-negotiable. But sugar isn't the only problem. Refined carbohydrates and processed foods, like chips, sodas, fast food, and even alcohol, can weaken your gut health and create an environment where fungi multiply. Dairy products, especially cheese and milk, can also contribute to overgrowth because they contain natural sugars, lactose, and mold contamination. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed foods that support gut health and keep fungal infections in check. Healing your gut for long-term protection. The key to long-term protection against fungal overgrowth is to heal your gut. This means restoring the balance of good bacteria with probiotics, eating prebiotic-rich foods like onions, garlic, and asparagus, and keeping your diet low in sugar and processed foods. Drinking plenty of water, herbal teas, and detoxifying drinks can also help flush out toxins and keep your digestive system strong. Consistency is key. Fungal overgrowth doesn't happen overnight, and reversing it takes time and dedication. But by making these dietary changes and supporting your gut health, you'll start to notice increased energy, clearer skin, better digestion, and an overall sense of well-being. Your body wants to heal itself. Give it the right tools, and you'll feel the difference. Lifestyle changes to prevent fungal overgrowth for good. Diet alone isn't enough. You need to make key lifestyle changes to keep fungal infections from coming back. Stress management is crucial because chronic stress weakens your immune system, making you more vulnerable to infections. Try meditation, deep breathing exercises, and regular physical activity to keep stress in check. Sleep also plays a massive role in fighting fungal overgrowth. Lack of sleep weakens your immune system and disrupts gut health, allowing fungi to multiply. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to help your body repair and fight off infections naturally. Additionally, hygiene matters. Wear breathable clothing, keep your skin dry, and avoid excessive moisture in areas prone to fungal infections. By combining a powerful antifungal diet, gut-healing foods, and positive lifestyle changes, you'll not only get rid of fungal overgrowth but also prevent it from returning. Your health is in your hands. Start making these changes today and your body will thank you with better energy, clearer skin, and a stronger immune system. Final thoughts. Take control of your health. Fungal overgrowth can silently destroy your health if left unchecked, but you have the power to fight back naturally. Now it's your turn. Start adding these antifungal foods to your diet and let me know in the comments. Which one are you trying first? Got questions? Drop them below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful health tips. Blast off.